social sites po like Upwork or mga job sites, online job PH, you can notice that marami pong mga ganyang work. So I'll be sharing my screen guys right now, my whole screen so that you can see my slideshow. But before that guys, I'd just like to know if saan na po kayong level ng ano po nung sa lead generation po. If you are a beginner or just ngayon pa lang niyo po alam or meron na kang idea, and then if meron na po kayong talagang client as lead generation specialist, paki-type lang po dito sa chat where I can see zero po kung meron po kayong totally wala po kayong experience so that I will know. And then bali ano naman po, one naman po yung meron na kayong idea, and then kung meron kayong client na is number two po. Ano na lang po para makita natin um, where. Should stop my screen for a while. So, where can see the chat po para makita ko po yung
Q&A.
open. Ay, sa Q&A po.
Yeah.
Okay. So, pag-type lang po kung ayan, open, zero, meron mga zero dito. 1, 2, 3. Alright, parang zero lahat. Merong 1, merong idea. So, in all, majority ay we're going to, this would be take a bit longer kasi ang dami pong zero, hindi wala pa talagang idea when it comes to lead generation. So, kasi kung meron na po like 2 or 3, medyo madali yung magiging parang summarize na lang po at refresher yung gagawin natin. Anyway, kung nga pala si Edu Temple, yan ang sinabi po ng host, I have already 8 years of experience and generating leads. Yung mga experience natin composed of bad experience and then pero din pong good, syempre. At yung iba naman po ay mayroong mga charge to experience. Parang ganun po. So I'll be sharing my screen again, guys, so that you will see the slide. Ayan po. So lead generation, yung topic natin, understanding the process of attracting and converting prospects. So ayan po yung ano natin. Bigyan ko lang po kayo ng overview ng ating topic for today, yung ating webinar. So we're going to know the lead generation definition, ano ba yung meaning ng leads o lead generation, and of course the very important thing yung lead generation strategies and the leads funnel, guys, and how to fill the leads funnel for us to be able to convert leads into paying customers. Just what the main goal of every companies, guys. So, tatalakayin din natin yung lead generation tools, including the very useful today, the LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And dadaanan din po natin yung outreach strategy, which is we're going to focus, guys, on email campaign. You're going to know why, kung bakit email campaign yung mapili natin na outreach, kasi there are a lot of ways to convert prospect into leads, but I think I will explain later bakit po email campaign. And then we're going to share also best practices of reaching out to clients and tips para kayo practice po ng best practices and you will have a tips. And then lastly, the lead generation models where you're going to have a basis on how you're going to charge the client, what models you are going to use sa lead gen po. Yan po, all in all. So, ready na po ba tayong lahat, mga ka-VAME? Pakichat lang po ng 1 kung ready na tayo dito sa ating open po. Pakichat lang po ng 1. Ayan. Sige po, pakichat lang po kung it's ready. Alright. Ayan, dumadami yung 1. Okay. Alright, huwag nating patagalin dahil napakainit yung panahon po at Wala ako sa aircon namin nasa kwarto lang. Umepekto na po yata yun talaga yung climate change natin, di ba? Napakainit dito tapos sa Dubai umuulan, di ba? Dapat disyerto doon, hindi umuulan dito. Parang climate change, di ba? So, let's proceed anyway. What is lead generation? All right, let me get my slide. Okay, guys. Lead generation is the process of identifying and attracting potential clients, known as leads for business products or services. So, by the word itself, lead generation, we're going to generate leads, guys. So, why lead generation? Mainly because of the demand of the company for business growth. So, without lead generation, without generating leads, the company or the agency or any other entity that make business will have not no will not be acquiring new customers, and then of course their sales will not grow, and their following, parang domino effect yan, they will not going to increase their sales. So very important po yung lead generation sa isang company. That's why sabi ko nga tumataas po yung demand ng lead generation strategies or specialists po for today. So I hope that after this webinar, we're going to, you have all the skill sets na makukuha niyo po. By this alone, this skill, you can earn a living po. I will try to do my best and all the knowledge that I know para maitawid po sa inyo yung lahat ng skills na kinakailangan po nyo to become a Legionnaire Specialist slash BA or anything na pwede nyo pong i-upscale yung mga skill sets nyo po. So, nakita natin while generation, very important, rule. So, sabi nga dun sa mga application na basa natin, you will play a pivotal rule, if I pronounce it right, in the company. So, importante yung rule natin as a lead generation specialist. Parang dati kasi, when I was starting like 7 years ago, 6 years ago, pagka lead gen parang, ay, simple lang trabaho niyan, parang copy-paste lang yan. Pero you will see here in the bottom of our webinar po, talagang napakalawak po ng lead gen. Actually, this is I think, the part of sales and marketing. They do the marketing because of, so that they will acquire leads, right? And then all the company is doing their effort, the design, the advertising, just to acquire leads po. So, napaka-importante ng role natin as a lead generation specialist. So, this one, how to generate leads. So, you can generate leads, individual leads, or by company. And there are several strategies that I'm going to show you now how to acquire leads. We need to apply this. And these are the three types. One is the inbound, meaning this inbound is tayo po yung lalapit sa mga clients na prospects natin, yung customers. So it could be like creating a content, blog, or vlog, yung nakita natin sa mga YouTube videos, na mayroong mga link na sa below so that they can generate leads. Pwede din vlog if maganda yung vlog mo, nag-rank naman po yung vlog niyo po, ay makaka-generate din po kayo ng leads through landing pages. Nakita niyo po yung merong mga link na i-click natin pag nagbabasa tayo ng mga vlog, di ba? It will route you and direct you to the landing page, and then you will submit your name, your email, and then you become a subscriber. At the end, in the bottom of on their strategy, you become a lead. Then nakita niyo po, napapansin niyo po na meron kayong nare-receive na mga emails coming from company na sinasubscribe niyo po kasi you become a leads. Then meron din pong SEO, meaning nito is search engine optimization. Nilarank nyo yung website nila so that if they are searching for keywords, for example, I will show you, Um, if you are a customer and you're looking for shoes, for example, this is what the SEO will do. Nakita niyo po yung nasa first organic search, Nike, kasi they have cultivated this keywords para pag search nito ng shoes ay agad-agad sila yung nakikita aside from the sponsored na mga. So ang tendency, ang mangyari po nito if you are magaling sa SEO ay you can rank your website na pag i-click yung isang keyword ay mag-appear talaga in the first page yung pangalan po ng company nyo, yung services nyo. Kasi nonsense naman na ikaw ay mag-scroll down pa dito uh, to look for other services. For example, you're going to like search lead generation specialist. So if you are a good SEO specialist, then you can get leads. Makita po yung website nyo dito like Upwork, sila yung una, then LinkedIn and other that are good and invest their time in SEO. So meron naman pong social media, FB ads, IG. So madali lang itong maka-acquire ng leads through FB. Nakita niyo naman meron mga sponsored sa FB, yung mga coach na meron silang mga binibenta ng mga digital products. They're going to use FB ads in social media to acquire leads na nagiging customer. Nagbabayad sila ng 250 to 99 sa kanilang seminar po na mga, for example, us, we are their target na gusto nating matuto ng VA, you'll pay. But here in BAME, we're not charging any. It is free for us.
Sir
So,
Ed,
yan. Yung,
lang.
opo.
Pwede daw pa maximize ng slide.
Opo, sige. Um, wait. Di ba kita masyado yung yung slides po? Paano nga mag-slides na mag-maximize po nito? Hindi ko marunong ng
Press mo
Press
F5.
F5 po.
F5.
F5. Okay, sir. Kasi yung E5 po dito, hindi E5 eh. Oh no.
Or
Di
sa
ba siya kita?
slideshow. Yung pang-apat.
Ito po.
Yan.
Ayan.
Thank you.
So, sorry for the interruption. Ayan. Balik tayo dito sa ating slides. Ayan po. Yung ating tatlong strategy. First, natalakay na po natin po yung inbound. It's, and then, the second strategy that we can do is the outbound through emails, cold calling, and then direct mail and email. So we can generate leads through email and also cold calling. If you have experience in cold calling, which is very hard to do for me because kami po ay Bisaya and then we cannot like speak English fluently. Mostly ang client is outside the Philippines, so I prefer to do the lead generation through non-voice. And then we can also direct mail and email also and the sales navigator. The feature of even if you have not connected to a person, pero meron kang LinkedIn navigator, you can do the email, which is very popular for today. Most of my clients in the past and currently are doing this, the email. And because this is easy, yes, you can find person, you can filter person and then send email. And lastly is the referrals. So referrals is coming from existing clients. Like when you say, if you have clients, then you will say to your existing clients that if you can bring two leads from me, then you have these perks or you'll be discounted 10%, 20%. And also the partnership is like a collaboration, meaning the agency that you're going to partner with already have audiences like GCash pa. So GCash, meron sila. Hindi naman app na lahat na nasa GCash is pagmamay-ari ng GCash. So meron dyan mga paying app. So they partner with GCash. So the audience of GCash will be their audience too. And it will generate leads. Pero guys, we're not going to tackle the inbound because this is very broad, as I've said. And also the referrals, we're not going to tackle this one, but we focus on the strategy of outbound. Tayo po yung pupunta, hindi tayo maghihintay sa leads na papasok sa atin, kundi tayo yung kakatok sa kanila if they're willing to buy our products or a service. Ayan. Bali, next slide po. Ayan, kita niyo naman, no? Pag naghihintay tayo, most probably, ganito yung mangyayari sa atin. Mangingisay ka na lang, walang papasok sa'yo na leads. Kaya mga, di ba? So, tayo ang gagawa ng paraan. Sabi nga nila na opportunity is not, you're not going to wait the opportunity, but you're going to create the opportunity. But I'm not saying that all the other strategy is not effective. So, mas maganda nga yung strategy nila, kaya lang, mas matagal po yung process. Like I've mentioned, yung SEO, it will take like 3 to 6 months. Gagawin nila yon na i-rank yung before you can see results. And most of the clients, lalo na po yung mga clients na mga sabihin na natin mga low budget, gamay lang, monte lang yung investors or something like yung capital nila is coming from their own pocket. So you will feel the tense. Sometimes nga, meron tayong nasasalungang mga client na if you are a lead generation specialist, they want only the results. They will not give you anything na mga materials. Parang, I think if I'm thinking, I believe that it would be like a red flag for me because, and then one reason that possibility is that they have only a few fundings. So, konti lang yung war chest nila. So, I will show you the panels. So, if you are generating leads, there are steps. Hindi naman pwedeng like isang message mo lang, isang reach out mo lang, isang email mo lang, client agad, no? Mahirap naman yun. Sabi nga nila, easy come at easy go. So, there are steps. Step one, prospecting leads, and then one. Di naman pwedeng, like courting, yung di naman pwedeng sigurong isang kindat mo lang is ano na agad, client na agad, di ba? Papayag na agad yung pinupurmahan mo, kailangan ano pa lang mag ano ka na, puporma ka muna, di ba? Mahirap naman yun. So step one, here we are. So prospects. It's like funnel, parang imbudo siya, di ba? Funnel nga kasi imbudo. So step one is the prospects. So the clients usually, if it is especially for B2B companies or B2B lead generation, the clients usually give you a persona. Meaning, yung mga type ng kanilang prospects na pwede nilang fit sa kanilang business. So basically, you will build a list of prospects coming from their persona or their criteria that they will be given. I will show you guys later how to build a prospects using the CRM, which is the free one, the Google Sheets or the Excels, and later in this our seminar. So, bibilisan natin to dahil 1 hour lang tayo guys ang ating maximum. So, the prospects will become leads, they will show interest, and then you are going to qualify as marketing qualified leads, meaning these people replied but they need more info. Ano ba yan yung service na ina-offer mo? Magkano ba yan? First thing na tinaas na talaga is the pricing. Usually as I've experienced. So, you need to do the marketing and the nurturing here in the stage 3 of marketing qualified leads. So, ito yung sales qualified leads naman, ito yung step 4, SQL, hindi ito yung programming na SQL, hindi sales qualified leads. They are most likely, most probably ready to buy. Pera na lang talaga yung kulang. Parang sabi nga nila na mayaman tayo pero pera lang talaga kulang, di ba? So after the sales qualified lead, it will go down to the opportunity. Yan na yung book meeting gusto nila. And then the deal. Ito na yung parang negotiation and then the contract signing, I mean. And then if you are very lucky enough, you will won the client and then you will acquire a lot of money kung magbabayad sila. Pero nakita nyo po, ang talagang pinaka-start niya is to build a prospects, then go down to leads. It could be leads, MQL, SQL, and then ang atin pong talagang work as a lead generation specialist, we build dito pa lang sa prospecting, pwede ka nang kumita, no? Kasi merong mga companies na they will ask only for results. I mean, for a list. Do not do the outreach or you not do need to like go down to this marketing and then sales qualified, trabaho na ng sales team to kung meron, and then the MQL as well, trabaho na ng marketing team yan. Ang gagawin mo lang itong prospects and then leads and then qualify and then deliver to the other team. So kung ganun, mas okay. That's why kasi yung mga mga sales representatives, according to the survey, they do a lot of prospecting rather than selling, which is their main trabaho talaga. So company that are growing are need prospecting so that the sales team will be in charge really of what they are meant to do. So yun, nakita niyo po yun. So how to do the prospecting, guys? Ayan. First, you need to identify the needs of the client, kung ano yung mga kailangan niya. And B2B, I'm speaking of, guys, B2B lead generation in particular. Kasi pagka B2C naman, meron kasing dalawa niyan, B2B, business to business, meaning the business supply a service or product to another business, not to the consumer. And the B2C is from business to the consumer, meaning direct, like the Shopee, pwede kang mag-order agad. So, do not like any other bureaucracy and the B2C. Kasi pag meron ka lang pinost dyan, nakita mo sa Facebook, clinic mo, agad nagbili ka. So that's already a sales. So you not need to build a list. But this one, as a B2B lead generation specialist in particular, you need to identify first the audience. Ano bang gusto ng client? Ito bang construction? Yung industry na target niya. For example, if your client is a coach or an accountant or a tax yung naggumagawa ng tax. So, sabi niya, gusto kong i-target mo is yung nasa construction industry, for example. And then, ano, ah, ang target ko ng mga job title is CEO, owner, and then the location is US. So, you need to do all this and observe this in order to you to produce a prospects. And then after listing all this one, because we are implementing the email strategy or email campaign, you acquire their email, then you need to validate their email. So I will also teach you in the bottom of this webinar how to validate email and how to find an email. So it's important to take note also if the clients will said, I will not, wala tayong gagawang business dyan sa mga retired kasi retired na nga, di ba? Senior citizen na, wala nang ginagawang trabaho. So mayroong mga leads na pumapasok pag hindi mo na filter, na clean, mga retired na pala or nag-change siya ng company or hindi fit kasi yung revenue nila is ah masyadong mababa sa ating products na ini-offer. Now, also in the stage of prospecting, meron tayong tinatawag na lead segmenting. So you can segment the prospects by industry if ever or by job title. That's like this one. We filter the leads uh by job title. This is very important for us to create content that are very personalized. So hindi sila magugulat paglapit mo na nag-reach out ka, eh mali-mali naman pala yung industry mo. So, meron tayong mga nasalungan yan. So, sabi ng client, oh, hindi ito. Ang target natin is construction. Bakit ano ito? Beauty parlor yung kinuha mo. So, napakalayo po, di ba? So, that's why you need to be very careful in segmenting leads so that you will create a particular uh, content when we reach out to them through email marketing. So, the tools that we're going to use is the strategy, outreach strategy, the tools, there are a lot. So if you don't have any tools given by the client or you work alone, you can use Google search. And then if you have medyo yayamanin ka kasi yung Sales Navigator costs you like 3,000 to 5,000 monthly. So you can acquire or given by the client. So maswerte yun pag binigyan ka ng client. And then the Apollo, which is the popular one, if you have I'll give you a link to this Apollo and then the instant scraper again. And also for validating emails, very important. Why? Because you have the clients but the email is not right, then useless yung pag-reach out natin kasi mag-bounce lang siya and then it will affect your sending opportunity. So you need to clean the list and then you have an email platform. So we have three to generate leads, marketing and sales qualified leads, the tools for prospecting, validating, and then the tools for sending emails. The HubSpot that we can use today kasi the Instantly AI, meron akong account niyan kaso hindi ko nakapagbayad so hindi ko magamit ngayon. HubSpot is free lang siya, guys. So free but if you are going to scale up, of course you will pay because ganun talaga yung marketing nila, di ba? Patitikimin ka, free trial, and then after the trial will end, then you'll pay. So sabi nga ng mga digital marketer, you have to pay to play. So not all are free. You have free but meron magtaas ng kamay. Later na lang po yung ating question so that we can maximize the time. All right. So meron ako ditong example guys ng sheets. Ayan, I prepared the column. Paano ba mag-hide nitong screen? It's very disturbing. Okay. Sorry guys. So these are the company that we are or the list that we build. I pre-build this so that we can do it much faster. So meron yan. Ayan, company name, yung location, importante. Yung website, yung LinkedIn, yung first name, last name, job title, email, the company size, and then the revenue if the clients needed. But mostly, they're not going to. And then, I have here a client uh, demographics. So, this is the client profile. This is what is his target. A CEO of 200 million to 20 million to 200 company that have a revenue. So, importante yung revenue dito. Kaya, kailangan meron dito na nakalagay na 20M kasi pagka less than 20M according to this target it will not be fit for his business or his service kasi hindi makaka-afford, mamahalin siya eh. So 50 plus employee dapat. So learner, read books, tanan mga then ang gusto niyang industry is construction like what I've listed here. So ginawa ko na diyan, meron siyang industry. Ayan po. Kaya niyo siguro gawin to. Simple lang naman to, basic lang. And then, after the build of this list, kailangan mong i-clean lahat to through email. For example, you are producing already get the emails. How to do this? How I did this one. So I'm going to give you an example. For example, you will be going to utilize the Google search only, assuming that you don't have the Sales Navigator. So, ang friend mo dito is si Google lang, Google search. So, the strategy for that is you're going to get the company first and then paste it on the Google. Kita niyo naman siguro, di ba? Ayan, enter lang. Then you can see the company complete construction, ito yun siya mostly kasi nasa Minneapolis siya and then Minnesota yung industry na pinapatarget ni client. As you can see, here in my list of profile, ang gusto niya, mga title CEO, President, Owner, and then in the Minneapolis area. So, we're on the right track, guys, di ba? And then you just click this one, open link new tab, copy, and then paste it to the list. So we do it manually first and then we do the LinkedIn Sales Navigator later. So how to get the first name, last name? You just click this also. Tanggalin mo lang yung mga slash slash. Ayan. And then this one, Ipulakang tools naman, free lang yung gusto mo. Minsan ito yung ginagawa ko pagka hindi mo gumagana yung then type LinkedIn and then the CEO. Then enter. Ayan. So ang owner ng nasa Florida siya, malapit-lapit lang yan siya sa maybe he is really from Minnesota. You need to observe that Florida siya, pero itong Florida is within, sakop lang po siya ng Minneapolis, Minnesota, parang magkalapit lang siya. So, actually, ito yung gusto din ng client. As you can see, Minnesota, yung demographics niya na gusto, ayan, kasama yung Florida kasi magkatabihan sila. So, we're on the right. Then you just copy this one or open link new tab like that. Copy the name, paste it on the our CRM, very simple CRM that we have. And then Control V, tatagalan tayo nito pero bear with me guys. Control X. Ito yung ginagawa ko manually. So, minsan nagtataka yung mga clients bakit you spend 8 hours because we do the targeted kind of prospecting. And then the email guys, this is the Apollo comes out or comes with the help. As you can see, if you have Apollo extension and Apollo apps, you just need to click this one to view the email. Minsan nagbe-verify yan siya. Ayan po, nagbe-verify siya. Minsan walang email, no email. So ang ginagawa natin dyan guys, we go to the tools that we are talking about, this one, the list clean. So mostly kasi, ang email ng mga working email, pare-pareho lang yan. Minsan, nagsa-start siya sa name and then the company, name at the company and then name that, the last name and then the company. So, we move forward, we're going to do this one because we don't find the email in the Apollo. We can also do by searching in the search engine. But I doubt na meron kasi pag meron talaga, isang search mo lang yan, isang click mo lang kay Google, andyan agad siya yung email niya. Pero this one, wala. So what we can do, we can utilize the email cleaner. So we get the first name of the prospect. Yan. So click mo lang tong verify single email. And then at plus the domain of his company. And then you try to verify it. If it's valid, then you can use it. If it's not, then you can move on to another prospects or you can take aside him for another campaign later. So like this one, pare-pareho lang naman. I will show you. You need to verify. If it is green, then we can sit. Oh, it's a dirty one. Dirty daw. So need to find another way like this. We need to isumpay lang to guys. Idugtong lang natin yung name niya, that one, and then L to make sure that ano siya. Then verify. If it is good, then you can use. And if it is not, then I said to you, we'll move on to another. So email verification complete. It's also dirty, so we can't use this one. Last one, L, and then that. Ganun lang eh. It will take long if you're going to like talagang targeted siya at saka gusto nating i-reach out siya. You need to take extra time. So, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo guys na how to look for the email. So this one, need to validate. Assuming copy ko lang to, assuming that this is a good email so that we can proceed to our reaching out campaign. Assuming that is good, so we put that one that here, there. And this one, ang LinkedIn niya, nakuha na natin, copy lang natin to. And then, paste it here. Diba? So this one also, I already got this. Then, oh, need to copy this so that we have already. Dito lang try sa isang browser. Nakita nyo, marami kong browser, di ba? Click that one. And then the use of Apollo, it will just pop up in the right corner pocket. Abangan nyo na lang. Just click the view email. And then, boom. And we need to clean this one. Actually, you can download, upload a file, and work email, tawag dyan. So, mga dirty to sila. So, assuming that this is good. So, guys, iwasan natin mag-send ng mga emails na ginagawa natin mga dirty yung ano or invalid kasi useless lang siya. So, it should be all validated. So, nakuha natin yung gusto ng clients. We go back. Title, CEO, check. As you can see here in our list, di ba? Then, the, wait, okay. Dami kong ano eh. Then, the location, it is in the Minneapolis area. Check. Ayan. Asan yung location natin? Ayan. MN, na-script ko na kasi ito eh. Ayan. And then, this one, I will complete this one so that we can do the campaign later using this data. Okay. Guys, nandiyan pa ba kayo? Type nga ng one kung nandiyan kayo or anong nangyari sa inyo, nahulog na ba kayo or natulog kayo dyan guys. Okay, so he's also a CEO of the company. So dalawa yung title niya, siya na yung president, siya pa yung CEO. So anyway, ilist natin yan siya. Ayan, meron tayong database guys. So how did I get this? I scrape this and then I do the searching manually. So I will show you guys the fastest way of creating this. How I get this one. So we do also we use this instant scraper. I will send you the link after this if you don't know this free tool that is very useful in scraping leads. So for example, our client says, as you have known that is targeting construction company, and then you don't have any tools but only search Google search. So back to this one, you just have to type this list of construction companies in Minnesota. You can pick one by one, I mean, but you can also click this one, the maps. So when you're clicking the maps, you all have already ah galauna na. Ayan, ang daming mga construction worker, construction worker, construction company guys, no? So, ang gagawin natin dito, galing dito, nilagay ko yan dito using this tool, wave scraper. Nakita niyo yung parang Pokemon ball? You just click that one. And then you have to change the delay 120 to 360 yan para medyo ma-script niya lahat. Oh no, and that's working. Ang namimili siya. So, ma-script niya to guys instantly or very fast. Oh no. So, we go back here. So, medyo naglolo ko siya. No. Anyway, guys, this is very fast. Yan, kita niyo yan? Diba, when you click this up, ayan yung mga table na pwede niyang galing dito sa itong list na ito, na-script niya. So just to adjust the delay, and then you start crawling. Pag start crawling mo yan guys, kukolekta nyo lang lahat na nandyan, and then you upload it to CSV file. I can show you it here in my downloads. Ayan, construction companies, na-script ko na yan. Then, what I did is I transferred it here. Kasi naka-CSV siya. Transfer ko sa Google Sheet, and then I qualify them. I validate their email. So, I come up with a list to ito, no? So, this is the manual. And then I show you guys the sales navigator that is coming from my client. Huwag lang kayong maingay kasi I was just using this for this purpose. Guys, okay. This is the filters from Sales Navigator if you have one. So, we look for the job title, CEO. Yeah, CEO, Chief Executive Officer. And then, if we don't want to scrape the BP, for example, kasi ka mga CEO ang kailangan natin, just exclude, type and exclude, ganun lang yan. And then, the geography, it would be on Minnesota. So very easy guys. Madali lang to pag meron kayong Sales Navigator. Ayan, click na. And then all the filters you can play with this. Guys, head count. Gusto niya is we go back to the company's profile. Ayan po. Gusto niya is company of 50 plus. So our Sales Navigator will this very fast. So the result is 200K for example. Ayan. So you can scrape this all along. Meron agad kayo in just a minutes or 30 minutes or so, you can have all these leads. Guys, if you have paid tools of Apollo, you can save this all to Apollo. You can create the list here in Apollo. Mabilis ba ako or what? Kasi binibilisan natin para you can
Relax
absorb all
ka
this
lang,
thing,
Ed.
guys.
Medyo
Okay.
mabilis. Relax lang.
Okay, kasi, okay, sige. Ay, nahabol natin yung time.
Okay lang yan.
Alam ko na kasi.
Okay pa.
Okay, okay. So you can create an advanced list here and list of Apollo, new list, sabihin mo, construction, CEO, construction, list mo lang dyan kung bla bla ba, anong mga para matandaan mo. Yan, list 50 plus, then save. If nag-work kasi to siya guys dito, mag-appear yan si dito, then you can save it to all Apollo and then you can build a list using Sales Navigator and then download coming from this Apollo and put this all ano kasi sila merong count dito on the spreadsheet and masasave niya lahat ng mga contacts mo. You can clean and then you will have to do the cleaning of the email to make sure that it will not bounce, no? As I've said, will not affect your, very important so that it will not affect your sending reputation. But you can do this also in the Apollo. Like this one, when you search here, pwede mo lang, nag-click mo yung search box, pwede mo nang i-click yung email status niya. I think wala tayong ano dito kasi hindi to siya bayad na Apollo. Free lang din to. Meron dito nakalagay yung verified talaga. So you can click. So all the results that will be generating here is always useful email. So that's how we're going to use the Sales Navigator coming from the list coming from the CEO. Then you see, this is not really perfect, but you can, there's a teaching artist, there's no perfect in any software, guys. So there's really a human intervention that you really kailangan mo talaga na mag-interfere because the software alone, even the most recent sophisticated software, meron talagang mga kailangan na human touch, guys. So, huwag kayong mag-alala, we cannot be replaced by AI in the future that we can use AI. So, guys, ganun. Then, also, other tool is the Apollo as we had uh, seen, guys. Pwede natin siyang magamit. Actually, si Apollo, he can stand alone, no? Pwede siyang, meron na siyang mga leads dito sa loob. Tingnan nyo guys And you can qualify already the status. And then, it can send email as well. So, imo lang, hanay nyo lang to. Guys, you can create sequences after this will take another like webinar to tackle all this because Apollo is also very broad. Lahat dito pwede mo nang gawin from list building, coming from Apollo, and then the filtering of emails, and then the sending out of emails. You can do all this. So right now I'm going to show you that he also has that database is on database. Why it's not working? So I need to refresh this guys. Andiyan pa ba tayo? 368 from 371. Hold on lang guys. Kakaroon kayo ng pera pagka nakatapos kayo nito. Magkamal kayo ng sangkatutak na mga na mga tawag nito, clients guys from left to right. So after this webinar, you can just sleep and um kaluwat ka, mag-antay ka na lang papasok na pera. Parang networking yata yun. So guys, hindi siya nag-work pero you can filter this the same with Apollo. The company, the job title, the location, the employees, and then you do the reaching out campaign. So all in one yung Apollo. Kaso if it is free, then you cannot do it. You can use him for clicking the email as you can see or getting the emails of the prospects. That's what you have seen or notice, witness here in our. So ano pang tools na pwede nating, yan, the Gmail. Saglitan ko lang to guys na ano naman tong list clean, wag na nating puntahan to. The same lang tong zero bounce, never bounce, at ang pinakamura guys itong list clean. As you can see, I have a lot of credits, so 'di ba? 9,012 kasi mura lang siya compared to these tools ng ah na nasa slides natin. But you can choose zero bounce, never bounce, Gmail. The Gmail is a very tricky one. For example, you want to learn, you have no zero bounce, you have never bounce, you have no mail tester, just use a dummy email. Just what we have, making sure that the email will not bounce. So, for example, we have this. We are doing this for making sure na yung email hindi go bounce. Then, I use a dummy. Yan. Hala, lang yung credit ko. Nakita. Alright, so meron tayong binabayaran guys. So, ang credit na. So, we need to work. Ah. So, Gmail guys, ayan. Naningil na. 20 na pala ngayon. So, 22, magbabayad ako. Layo pa ng sweldo. Alright, so, laban lang. So, ayan guys, so, para tiyak natin na hindi siya nagbabounce, ayan, just use a dummy email. Kung wala ka talagang tools, ay blank mo lang yung subject or just said hi, and then send. So, right there and then, you can validate the email if it will bounce or not. So, pag walang ano dito, walang message na nag-bounce siya, sorry, hindi tinatanggap yung email mo. So, meaning you can use the email even if it says na dirty siya or invalid. Diba? So, yan guys. Wala mo ng question, so later na lang, almost na-tackle na natin dito. Ito na lang si HubSpot. So now, you have all the
Sir,
list. Pwede. Opo.
mag-ano ka na ba?
Okay.
Ano ba to? Na-navigate mo na yung HubSpot?
Opo.
Mamaya na, palaro muna tayo.
Sige,
Ay,
sige.
ka muna. Sige.
Okay guys, relax muna. Hold on. Palaro muna. May mga premyo ba yan?
Oo naman.
Oh, yeah. Alright, sige. Salamat po.
So,
Sige. Balik lang ako. Okay.
pahinga ka
Alright,
muna,
thank you.
mag-water break ka muna.
Opo, opo. Sige, sige.
Alright. So, yan. Nandito pa ba lahat? Wow, ang dami na. Andito pa din sila. Ang dami pa. 360. So, sana may mga natututunan kayo. And dun sa mga nagtatanong tungkol sa certificate, mamaya na po yan at the end of the webinar. Okay? Mark, may boses ka pa. Hindi ko
Hello, ma'am.
narinig. Ayan,
Opo, ma'am.
dito ka pa. Mameliana, are you here?
Yes.
Yes. Ilan bang gusto mong manalo ngayon?
Anong palaro?
May scramble words ako.
Depende. Depende kung ano.
Kung mahirap o madali.
Mahirap o madali.
Maglilima muna tayo ngayon, okay? So, ganun pa rin yung mechanics ng ating games. Kung nakikita ninyo yung Q&A icon or tab dito sa baba, dyan po kayo magsasagot. Okay? Dyan nyo isasagot yung sagot. Alright? So, scramble words to. So, medyo guguloy natin yung utak ninyo ngayon. Alright? Sandali lang. Share screen.
So, yeah. Ang mangyayari po, unahan na lang po yung mag-chat-chat doon sa ating Q&A. Then kung sino po yung una namin makita, siya po yung magwawagi ng ating tumataginting na 50 pesos.
Cash.
Then send nyo po yung
Meron
GCash
kayong
nyo.
GCash, ha?
Pag wala po kayong GCash, wag na po kayong sali. Kasi
Kasi
sayang lang.
sa iba. Okay. Alright, so guess the word. Ready na ba lahat? Ayan. So, scramble words lang to. Meron namang clue sa baba kung ano ba siya. Okay? So, buksan ko lang yung Q&A kung okay. Nakikita ko naman data. Alright? Let's start. First is country.
Hopya. Ay, mali pala, ma'am.
Hope.
Ethiopia. Sample lang ba ito, ma'am? Sample lang?
Yan na yun. Wrong
Oh.
spelling si Louie.
Oo nga, ma'am eh. Si Crystal Lim po yung aking...
Crystal Lim. Okay.
Make
Pwede
sure
ba?
na tama po yung ating spelling kasi sayang naman yung 50 pesos.
Okay. Saan na ba yun?
Crystal Lim.
Oo. Palista nga, Mark.
Yan.
Okay.
Opo, ma'am. Nag-lista po
Alam nyo
ako.
na, country, may nakalagay. Okay. Yung iba kasi Ethiopia lang, dalawa po ang letter I. Ayan. So, ang huli nating sumagot ay si Jingle. Okay. So, next word na tayo. Country pa din siya.
Oh, ano yan? Slovenia. Wow.
Slovenia. Sino? Si
Aaron.
Carl Labiaga. Okay.
Aaron.
Tama.
Kasi na lang po ng mga Gcash
Nga
nyo.
lang ng iba. Tapos na Lance yung Ethiopia. Sumagot pa din siya. Okay. Our next, third. Ito kaya?
Country.
Country siya.
Yan.
Sabi ni Google, country siya eh.
Uruguay? Hindi po Uruguay.
Hindi po. Ayun. Si Irish. Tungpalan. Ang tamang
Ay,
sagot
tama, ma'am.
Guyana.
Guyana. Irish, nanalo ka.
Okay.
Hindi po Uruguay yan. Wala po letter R.
Oo. Wait lang.
Lalagyan pa lang.
Switch na tayo. Ano kaya to? Sports siya.
Uy. Mhm.
Ano yun?
Wall climbing. Ba, magaling, ma'am. Magaling, magaling.
Sino yan?
Si Jesus po. Uy,
Jesus
hello,
Manapa.
Jesus.
Parang nakaraan sumali na siya dito, no?
Opo, ma'am. Tama.
Wall climbing po ang sagot. Tama. Oh, tama. Wala. Ano ito? Visible ka, Jennifer Ligero. Don't worry.
Ang bilis naman.
Ay, hindi mo
Opo.
makikita yung chats. Panelist lang po kung sino yung anonymous. Okay, so tama sila. Pero si Jesus po ang tumama. Okay, so next po. Ako po ba visible? Yes, lady. Visible ka po. Alright?
Visible ka, Lady G.
Okay. Sa panglima pa lang pala to.
Art form.
Pwede siyang art form, pwede siyang sport. Kasi pinagdebatehan yan kung sport ba to o art form. Eric Jan,
Dancing.
World Cup po. Dancing, Uliren? Uliren. Paano
Si ano po
mag-
sa akin, ma'am?
Sino?
Julien. Zusain Reyes.
Timestamp 208.
Opo.
Uliren ang basa ko dyan. Uliren? Uliren. Yan. Basta siya, lista mo. Yes, Windows 10. Ako, visible ka po. Yes, tama po, dancing. Jero, visible ka po. Okay. Hindi po siya drawing, Louie. Ang tamang sagot ay dancing. Wala pong W. Okay. Miss Eliana, dagdag. Nakalima na po tayo.
Sige, go.
Okay. So, magdadagdag pa tayo ng 5. Okay, nakalima na tayo. Ito po. Anong sport ito?
Ay! Uy, grabe, ma'am. Sino
Ang
po sa inyo,
bilis.
ma'am? Ang bibilis, ma'am eh.
Di pa ako nakakababa ng scroll eh. Wait lang.
Mariela Perez. 209, ma'am.
Si Cherry.
Po si Cherry din, ma'am.
Si Cherry.
Cherry po.
Ano ba to? Cherry Rose
Cherry
Felizar.
Rose Felizardo.
209.
209.
Oo. Nalista.
Okay po. Cherry Rose Felizardo.
Okay. So, ang dami. Paunahan
Ang
na lang.
dami nga, ma'am eh.
Yes, Monique.
Hindi pa-
Visible ka po.
Hindi pa ako tapos mag-type, ma'am. Meron nang nagta-type eh.
Visible ba sila? Opo, basta po mag-chat
Opo.
kayo dyan sa Q&A. Panelist po ang nakakita. Okay.
Visible po.
Alright. So, next. Doon muna ako sa pinakababa at di pa nakakarating. Alright. Next po natin ay vegetable.
Uy.
Dali lang.
Meron na ako, ma'am, nakita.
Kulang ang spelling mo, Danzen.
Si
Ikaw din,
Katrina po.
Katrina. Mali din. 2 letters yan.
Oo nga, may mali.
Ay, oo nga, ma'am.
Si Alisa.
Alisa Marie.
Alisa Marie.
Alisa Marie?
Gas. Nakita mo na, Mark?
Oo, ma'am. Caps lock. Galit na galit siya, ma'am.
Okay, galit na galit sa zucchini. Alright. Ano daw ang wifi nyo ang bibilis? Huwag kang papaiwan, okay? Pang 8 na, Mark.
Wait lang, mama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pang-8 na yung sasabihin mo, ma'am.
Pang 8 na itong susunod. Ano daw ang wifi ninyo? Wait lang. Back delay sa akin.
Hoy, ako yan.
Vegetable.
Ay, kala ko cute. Di pala
Ay, si Beth. Ako cute.
Ayun, no? Grabe.
Beth.
Pipinyon. Sino po sa inyo, ma'am?
Si Beth.
Si
Beth.
Beth.
Bet na walang apelido po, ma'am.
Si Beth na wala apelido. Type mo yung apelido mo na makumpleto.
Ano mo si Black 9, Beth?
Tama naman silang lahat. Ano to? Cuttle. Cuttle daw. Lettuce na ang sagot.
Lettuce po.
Po. Hindi po cattle. Lettuce ang sagot.
Cattle po ay isda. Ang cattle po ay isda, mga guys. Yan.
Cute daw, Mariel. Sino yung cute? Si Mark? Dali lang. Ang haba pa. Wait lang. Bababa ko na. Okay. Okay, tama na po.
Bet.
Dami pa din.
Bet, pakilagay po yung apelido. Dahil ka pa ni Glock 9 po. May apelido po si Glock 9.
Ayan na.
Yan
Siyambaw pa
bow
lang
down. Rosemary ba, don't worry, visible ka. May mga
Visible po kayo?
Visible lahat. Pang ilan na daw si Louie? Maglilista si Louie. Pang
Bet
9 na.
Kiambao.
9.
Pang 9 na po.
Ano tong gulay?
Radish. Ang bibilis nila, ma'am.
Grabe.
Cherry ba sa inyo? Bless.
Cherry Rose
Cherry
Felizardo.
Felizardo.
Nanalo na po si Ma'am Cherry. Ano po, ma'am? Give chance to others pa?
Give chance. Ayun,
Nanalo na po siya.
Yung
si
pangalawa,
Beatrice Makalinaw.
Yes.
Radish po ang
Beatrice.
sagot. Wait lang.
Beatrice.
Radish. Okay. Lahat, tama. Nauna lang talaga si Bea. Pang 10 na. Last na. Bilisan yung type. 1, 2, 3, go. Walang category. Buuin niyo yung word.
Wala, ano yan?
Ano yan?
2024.
Meron na ako nakita, ma'am. Tama ba yun?
Si Alexis ba? Maria Alexis
Hmm,
Sabalo, 213.
opo. Opo.
Opo, ma'am.
Sayang si Jesus, 14 years yung kanya, pero ang tamang sagot ay 40 years.
Years.
Apat na T, tapos years. 40 years. Okay? Through the years. 1996. Paano po naging 1996? And times 2022. Okay, nakakatawa lang yung mga answers nila. Ano daw yan? Alright, so tama na ba? 10 na? Ay, tama.
Opo, ma'am. 10 na po. 10,
So,
10 na po ang
sa
ating
mga
ano.
10, pwedeng pa-recall ng pangalan kasi baka may mag-claim na naman na may nanalo sila. Send nyo yung chat.
Nanalo po si Crystal Lim, Aaron Carla Biaga, Irish Tungpalan, si Jesus Ruperto Manaksa, Uliren na walang apelido, Cherry Rose Felizardo, Alisa May Banlaigas, Beth Kiambao, Beatrice Macalinaw, and Maria Alexis Veronica Sabalo.
Very good. Okay, so pasend ng inyong mga pangalan. Kukunin po namin. And congratulations sa inyo. Mag-join po ulit kayo next webinar at may mga mananalo pa rin. Okay?
Yes
So,
po.
back to our regular programming. Ed, are you
Yan.
with us?
Ma'am, remind ko lang sila, no, magstay sila until the end ng webinar para makareceive sila ng form kung saan pwede sila mag-sign up doon para makareceive sila ng free certificate po.
Yes, free ang ating certificate. Just stay until the
Yes.
end. Ed, are you here?
Yes po. Yes po, I'm here. Thank
So
you
back
po.
to you.
Ayan. Thank you sa ating mga audience na natili hanggang ngayon. So, okay na po ba? I'm back na po.
Okay na, sir. Go ahead na po.
Okay po, sige. I'm going to share the screen again. So, mayroong mga nagtatanong about the tools na gusto nilang malaman. Ito po, paki-screenshot na lang. And then, okay, I understand most of the issue is if it is paid tools or Apollo or not. So, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, mayroong LinkedIn, you can search, but it is limited, of course. Apollo, there is a free tool, free version. This is galanti sa Apollo kasi you can use him uh, as long as you want. Pero meron siyang limitation of course. But hindi siya nag-close like other app na pag hindi ka nakapagbayad, you cannot proceed to another stage of after the free trial, magstay pa din siya. Pero still, I said limited lang siya. And then the instant scraper, this is a free tool. I will send the link right after if you want. Ngayon na lang siguro para di malimutan, no? I have here the link for Apollo and then the instant scraper. I will going to put this on our chat message. Wait a moment. Ako. Ayan. This one. So I'll just put this on our chat so that you can copy already. Alright guys. So yan. Itong HubSpot, itong mga cleaner guys, ang libre lang dito itong Gmail. But the rest, mayroon siyang patikim na 100 credits. All this. The screen also implement 100 credits free upon signing, but after that, the credits you will pay. Already, will pay for the next credits. The Google Sheet, of course, as we know, free. HubSpot is free tool, but if you are going to scale up, as I've said, into a real business or bigger business, meron silang mga marketing hub, sales hub, and larger send out of email. Then Instantly AI, meron siyang free 14 days, but after 14 days, mawawala na yung account mo just like what happened to my account. Kasi gusto nila magbayad ka. And then now, we're going to proceed to the HubSpot tool. We have the list already here. So, ito lang yung tatlo ang halimbawa natin. Then we go to the HubSpot. HubSpot is a CRM and messaging platform as well. But if you are going to do the mass sending of emails, HubSpot is not the right tool, ideal tool for you. Maybe you can go to SendGrid, instantly.ai. But guys, pinapauna ko lang sa inyo na we cannot tackle instantly AI. As I've said na wala tayong magamit na tool. And then, kailangan mo pang i-configure to. Medyo mabusisi siya upon adding emails. Where HubSpot, upon signing, you can already use the platform. So that's the preference of them. Now, so we go to the HubSpot. Kasi email lang naman tayo. So we go to the marketing tab and then email. So, and this email, we need to create email, of course. So click mo lang tong create email. And then we're not going to do the regular, just the automated, just the regular. And then just choose plain email, welcome, simple. So we just click this simple, plain email, I mean. Then meron na siyang pre-template. So gawa na ng template. Pero andyan pa rin yung logo ng HubSpot. And then meron na siyang ganyan, no? Pwede mo nang gamitin to, i-copy paste mo na lang yung content natin. So you can drag image here. Gusto mo, yan, lagay mo yung image dyan, then upload. But we're not going to dig deep into this. I'll just showing you how to use the HubSpot in email campaign, guys. So, going to remove this one. Oh, ito. Ayan, pwede yan dyan, di ba? May image dyan, then first name. Pwede mong ilagay dyan yung logo mo or anything. Yan, yung mukha ko. Wag yan kasi hindi mababasa yan ng client. Mukha pa lang, ayaw na ng wiper na agad yan. So, how to create the... Ayan guys, email meron sa side dito. Just play around here. Dito sa HubSpot po. Then, you create the title. Importante itong title eh. Sabi nga sa Bible, diba, ang magandang pangalan ay maiging piliin kaysa malaking kayamanan. So, title is very important than wealth. So anyway, so ano man CEO campaign or construction campaign? Guys, campaign, anything na basta may title siya. Then, automatic nagsisave na siya, as you can see. Then, how to create content, guys? And because hindi talaga ako content creator or content marketer. I'm just a lead generation specialist. So, minsan yung client, meron siyang content. You just do the sending out of emails. And then, minsan din, you need to like practice also because merong client na wala siyang content. You need to create your content for you to be able to produce leads. So, ang ginagawa natin dito guys, we use me, because I'm not a content creator, I will use if you are familiar with the chat GPT. Tayo chat GPT tayo eh. Chat GPT era na tayo guys. So, ang gagawin mo lang dito kay chat GPT, mag-chat ka lang sa kanya. Ayan, wait. Sabihin mo lang, hi. Ayan. So, look at this. Sabihin chat GPT, hello, I can assist you. So, ready naman siyang mag-assist. I want to create, sabihin mo, ito, for ano lang to guys Hindi naman to official na talagang ganito yung gagawin nyo. But just for your information na ganito siya nag-work, no? I want to create an email campaign to get leads. Ayan, at least inform siya kasi yung build na parang binibuild mo siya para mag-produce siya ng mas okay na result. Inform siya in advance, may premise po, di ba? Parang ganun. no? I want to create an email account to get leads. So, sabi naman niya, define your audience, set clear goals, blah, 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 blah. But we all have to do here is the content. Ayan, may mga advice siya sa'yo. Okay? Anyway, ayan, basahin mo yan. Then, our client wants an CEO. So, his service is coaching. So, sabi natin na coach ako, gusto kong i-coach yung team mo para magiging okay yung business mo. Your team will be aligned. Then, it will go fluently. It will create revenue, generate revenue. Of course, pag pasinabot yung team, di ba? Nagkakaintindihan yung team, hindi yung nagkakagatan. So, yung service ng ating client. So, I would like to, this is just a demo, guys. Ulit-ulit ko to. I apologize kasi I'm not really a content creator, no? So, sabihin mo, I am a coach, business coach, like that. Okay. Mali pa spelling. Business coach. Okay, no. Business coach. Ayan. So, and I want to reach out construction company. Bilisan lang natin to, guys, ha. Company. Be a good kung ano siya, ano, copywriter. Copywriter, trabaho kasi ng copywriter to eh. Okay, balik-baliktad na. Create an email sequence. Somebody reads us sequence to eh, create a email sequence at least 3. Kasi Grammarly, nagko-correct na. Yan. I want. Minsan mali to si Grammarly. I want nga eh. Siya naman, I want. 2. Reach out companies. Companies. Ano, tigas ng ulo to ni. Minsan hindi ko gusto si Grammarly to eh kasi minsan over ano siya. OA masyado siya. At least, at least 3. Make it short. Make it short. Short and sweet. Ito yung mga type ng iba dyan eh, yung mga short and sweet. So, lagyan na natin ng ganyan para ma-determine ni AI. Ayan, di ba? So, and then just put just then click this button. Then the magic will happen. Ayan. So, meron ka ng sequence 1, 2, and 3. So, we go back to the HubSpot. Ayan, meron ka pang subject. Pero this one, pag gumagamit talaga tayo ng ng ChatGPT, this one is, pag nakita ng client niya, uy, amoy, amoy ChatGPT to, pagka meron ganito. So, yan, elevate, ayan. Pero, given na ito yung content natin, di ba? So, gamitin na natin to for the purpose of this webinar. Now, we go back to the HubSpot. We have already this one. Kaya pala, sa HubSpot pala guys, limited yung ano natin. Ito, nakalimutan ko. Talagang, kailangan mo magbayad. Kasi, only once ka lang mag-send. Then, you cannot create a sequence out of this HubSpot. So, 3 yung ginawa natin, di ba? Pero, maghanap lang kayo ng ibang platform na ano kayo ng sequences na 3. For example, because ginagawa kasi natin to produce leads, guys, at least 3 or 4 messages na ginagawa natin, intro, and then pag hindi mag-reply, Meron silang after 4 days or several days, makaka-receive sila ng other message. And then if they're not going to reply, for example, kasi ano sila, busy or something like hindi na type, meron namang unsubscribe. Malawak to guys. Then pangatlong message, tatanggap naman sila after 7 days. Then ayaw pa din. After 14 days, mag-send ka na ng message automated. Then siguro kung after 4, hindi na sila busy, mag-reply na sila. So that will be you have the leads already. So kung wala talaga nag-reply, meaning move on ka, 'di ba? So we going to copy lang the generated chat GPT, guys. Just copy this one, the first email. Ayan. Malapit na tayong matapos, guys. Wag lang kayo mag-alala. So, ayan. Copy mo lang to. Ayan. Then, we go back to itong first name. So, automatic na to siya. Hi. Hi, Glenna. Or hi, Ivy. Hi, etc. Ito, automatic na to siya. Pag sino yung sinisendan mo. So, that is called personalized. And then, you can also personalize the company. You can put it here. The company, and then automatic din siya, malalagay yung pangalan ng company ng ni-reach out natin, and then yung whatever na pwede mong ilagay dito na personalized na parang siya lang yung tumatanggap ng email na para sa kanya lang talaga. Sabi nga ng mga marketer so that it will not look like that you are running a list of leads. So pwede nating ano to guys, ang signature niya sa baba, importante din to dito sa baba, pero we cannot tackle this one because it will take time, a longer time. Sabihin mo na lang dito best BFF, best edu. Ayan, di ba? So meron ka ng email, and then tapos na sa email na meron ka ng na-plaster mo na ano mo na lahat dito, yung my name, yan, dito yan sa personalized, guys. No, hindi sa link. Personalize yan. Hindi ko na lang kasi mabilis yung ano natin dito. Then, after this, you introduce your name. Edit mo na lang to para hindi ka na mag-personalize. Yan. Edu. Remove the link. Mag-link pa yata. Oh, never mind guys. So, Hana. Then, settings ka na naman. After sa edit, settings. Dito sa settings, kung sino yung pangalan mo, mag-appear doon sa email. Dito. Then, yung email na ginagamit natin, dito makikita yan din yan. Then yung personalized na subject line, we have the subject line here that we have generated from the very powerful chat GPT, Elevate. So pag nakabasa kayo dyan guys ng mga Elevate, yan mga enhance, yan, mga chat GPT sounds yan. So, yan yung subject line natin. Then preview text, ito yung maunang makikita dito. So importante din to. Ayan. Dito yung mababasa nila. Dito yung so dapat catchy din to. So you will have money after this. After reading this. Example lang guys. Hindi. Catchy, napaka-catchy niya, di ba? We're talking about money. Then you can generate AI, ganoon. Then ang campaign niya is construction campaign, the title. And it was in this language subscription type. Yan, marketing information. Piliin niyo yan. Then I have already the address, the foot address, I mean the foot address. Bagong word yun ah. The footer, guys. So I'm from Oroquieta. And dito galing yung asawa ko, pero I'm now from Davao. So hindi na to updated. Then after that, guys, ayan, sending na. Diba? Sending na. Mag-select ka lang ng recipients. So you don't have recipients yet. Ay, meron ako dito. Pero, siyempre, then meron din siyang don't send to this man. Ayog send ani kay ko ani. Uy, klaro ni. Di mo reply, pwede din ilagay mo dito. Diba? So, ang i-reach out ang i-reach out po natin is sila yung mga construction. So, we're going to upload it into the HubSpot. Yan. So, download mo lang to into CSV file. Ayan, X company sheet, nasa download siya. Save mo lang yan, then balik ka sa HubSpot. Save mo lang to. Balik tayo guys kasi di tayo nakapag-upload ng contacts, di ba? Balikan lang natin yun. Mamaya-maya. So, contacts. Dito tayo kanina sa marketing, nag-create tayo ng email, then contacts. Click mo lang yan. Then, create contact kung isa. Pero kung marami, import ka. Then, start importing. Then, import file. Yan. Click mo lang tong next. One file lang tayo. And then, one object lang din. Itong multiple objects, maraming mga ano yan. So, next. Then, select contact alone. Then, next. Then, choose a file. Nasa download siya. Ito. Piliin natin yan. Then, supposedly, walang error. Meron kang pagpipilian dito. Create and update contacts. Create new contacts only. Para ano talaga sila lahat. Yan. Next ka lang. Then, mag-mapping ka guys. Mapping, first name. Oh no. Namali tayo ng ano. Repeat tayo guys. Repeat kasi namali tayo. Kailangan tanggalin muna natin to kasi strict to si ano si HubSpot eh. Kaya ingatan niyo to sa HubSpot. Strict to siya. Download. Binasa niya tong sa baba yata. So, sorry guys. Anyway, yan CSV. Download ulit tayo. Sheets. Final. Ayan. Then, you go back to HubSpot. Yan guys, meron naman tayong contact dito na contacts. Import. Saka yung mga comma, mga ganun, ay hindi niya tinatanggap yun na may ma-upload. So, ginagawa natin minsan, iniisa-isa ko na lang. Pagka minsan po na matigas yung ulo ni HubSpot, ayaw ayaw tatanggap ng mga prospects. So, dyan pa ba kayo guys? Paki-heart-heart nga dyan para and alright. Hold on, malapit na tayo magkapera. Malapit na tayong yumaman. Pera na lang kulang talaga. So, next. Bayaan natin yan. Dyan lang siya. Next lang. Importante ma-upload to. Ayan, nag-mapping na siya. And all good. Yung mapping natin. Yung company size, meron siyang medyo, sa company, nabikin lang naman siya sa company. Tingnan natin kung saan to. Company size. Walang number yung company size. So, dapat guys, merong number to, di ba? Ito meron din. So, kung meron siyang number dito, lahat check yan lahat dyan. But we do not we not input numbers kaya nangyari to. So supposedly meron siyang size, merong revenue, okay na yan siya. Sabihin mo lang don't import para makaproceed ka. I-deny mo na lang yan para makaano ka-proceed ka. Next ka na lang, then create a list out of this. Finish the import. Ayan. yan, you have 3 records. So, kung 10, 10 yan. Kung 3, 3 lang yan, di ba? Alright. So, back na tayo doon sa email marketing. 3 lang man yung in-import natin. Mahirap naman kung naging 10 yan, di ba? Alright. So, ito na tayo. Balik na tayo dito sa bakbakan. Click mo lang to, guys, no? Then, balik ka na doon sa send and hanapin mo na yung construction na yan. Ayan, itong X company. Ayan. Yan lang yun. You can select as much as recipient na meron ka dito, owners, witness, e-commerce prospect, na mga wala naman akong nakuha dyan. Ayan, so review and send ka na dito. Then after that, okay naman siya. The field image is empty, okay na siya. Then just click the send. Pero hindi natin send to ha. Kasi maano tayo. Send now. Then you can send, then okay na siya. But if you want to paid, meron siyang automation. Ayan, hindi natin makreate yung workflow, guys, for now sa HubSpot. So at least nakuha meron kayong background, edit, send, settings, send, then kailangan matiyak na meron kayong pag-sendan na ina-upload nyo po ng mga target natin. So yan guys, ang paggamit ng HubSpot, basic lang siya sa email. Then you can proceed to uh, sending emails sa mga ano natin using the HubSpot. Nasa mga 2,000 yung free niya na pwede mong sendan. Free yun send, pwede mong i-send mo gamit. After that, ng 2,000, lagpas ka na ng 2,000, babayad ka na. So, yes, dito na tayo sa best practices na ating kailangan personalize. Ayan yung email natin para hindi mo kang nag-run ng list and targeted messages. Nakita nyo naman yung job title, yung pangalan, mga effective call to action. Hindi natin na-tackle to. Pero when we go back to the HubSpot, kailangan meron kang call to action. Ang call to action, guys, yan. If you are interested like that, click this button. Let's have a conversation. Alam niyo na yan. Dito tayo magkikita. Magkape tayo. Saan ka ba ngayon? Dito tayo. Ayan, ganun, mga meet up. Yan yung CTA. Pag mo click sa CTA, then you will have the opportunity. Then using the analytics, guys, when running the campaign, you should monitor the campaign kung sino yung mataas ba yung reply rate, mataas ba yung click rate, o mataas lang ba yung open rate pero wala namang nagre-reply. Should find out what is wrong. So, yan. Mahaba yan eh. So, you can play with that na lang. Guys, at least alam niyo na kung paano mag-send ng emails, then abangan niyo na lang yung mga leads na magre-reply. Yun ang ginagawa natin. So, best practices, personalization, target messages, effective call to action, then mahalaga to using analytics to optimize the campaign. Kasi pag mag-send out ka, wala namang nagre-reply, something wrong, di ba? Ang pinaka dapat na mag-reply, pinakamataas at least 20 to 25 percent ng reply rate, okay yan. No, di ba? Below 20 na reply rate, ayan, medyo alarming na yan. So, I said open rate pala kasi mayroong mga analytics yan eh. Yung open rate, at least 20 to 25, then yung reply rate, 14 to 15, ganun, mga ganun. Okay pa yan, pero below that, wala talagang nagre-reply. There's something wrong with your campaign, yung pag-reach out natin. Diba? So, aangal na si client. Bakit walang nag-reply, walang ganito? So, you need to observe that, guys. So, next slide tayo. Yan, malapit na talaga tayong magkapera. Konti na lang. Ayan. So, dito na sa lead generation model na pwede nating apply pagka tayo mag-offer ng service sa client. Merong tinatawag na PPL. You'll only be paid for the leads that you'll produce. So, meron yan. Dito pa lang sa prospecting always building, pwede ka nang kikita, di ba? Halimbawa, 100 leads, babayaran ka ng $80, $100, or one lead lang pagka malaki yung industry, $50, ganun. Naranasan ko din to when I was a lead researcher. Binabalidate mo na yung leads pag valid lang sila nagbabayad. Pagka hindi naman valid, no money. No money, no honey, no money. So ito namang hybrid, ito yung most likely ginagawa ng mga company. You'll be paid for managing the lead generation. You implement kung wala pa sila. You assist if you're a BA. This is very useful. The process, and you'll get paid weekly, bi-weekly, or on a monthly basis. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, dito yung pera, di ba? At the end. Ayan, si Dollar, nakangiti na. Ayan. So, thank you guys. Hanggang dyan lang tayo. Bulag-bulag na ta. Huwalay na tayo guys. Ayan. So, punta na tayo doon sa Q&A. Huwag nyo lang pahirapan kasi hindi ko naman alam lahat yung sagot guys.
Alright. So, pili ka na, Sir Ed. Anong mga questions?
Opo. Meron ako several nakita ng mga questions pero sige, let me know po.
Okay, go. Ano daw yung kanina may nagtanong yung Pokemon yung logo pang script?
Ako po, sinend ko na yung yung link po. Ang pangalan doon is Instant Data Scraper. Libre lang po 'yun makakita po 'yun sa Chrome extension. Extension po. Almost all the searches, maliban na lang doon sa mga mamahalin, hindi niya na-scrape. Pero most na mga data na-scrape po niya. Opo, parang walang question naintindihan kaya nila.
Meron dito.
Meron ba? Okay.
Ano daw yung gagamitin nilang email kapag magsisend sila? Personal daw
Yung
pa or sa client?
ano po? Yes po, depende. Mostly dapat sa client. Kasi sila yung yung diyan. Ikaw lang yung sa send out pero sa kanilang email ang ginagamit. Pero kung halimbawa yung given an opportunity like sa atin Vame, Edo at Vame, Blessy at Vame, and you will be allowed to use the company email, ayan, pwede. Ikaw lang pero magdi-differ siya sa title. Pag redistribution specialist, hindi ka masyadong papansinin. Pero pag CEO ang nag-email, medyo may dating, di ba? So, depende sa client yun. But mostly I suggest, sabihin nyo sa client yun na sa kanila yung email na gagamitin para in case, pakinabang din po nila yun, lahat ng mga data sa kanila, walang maiiwan sa'yo. Kung medyo na kayo, separate na kayo ng way. Yan. So, may nakita pong tanong kanina, gusto ko lang i-brief. Mostly yung email na ginagawa natin pag B2B lead generation is yung working email kasi yun yung ginagamit nila. Pero pag wala talaga, di yung personal email and then yung company email. Then pag wala talaga lahat, yung paborito natin na LinkedIn, message mo na lang diretso. Sige po, Sid, sa other question po.
Dito naman po may tanong si Miss Cherry Rose. I use Apollo.io po kaso nilalagay sa spam ng email ko sa target clients ko. Ano daw po yung pwede niyang gawin? Siguro
Yan
yung
nga po.
lalagay sa sa spam.
Opo, yan yung problema natin pag nag-email tayo. Lalo na last February, nagpalabas sila nung bagong rules ng email. So, you should observe yung mga DMARC, yung mga i-register mo yung domain, dapat totoong domain talaga, binili mo. And then, meron kang dapat na unsubscribe. Unsubscribe button sa iyong email. Kasi pag wala, once lang, i-tag ka as spam, yung sending reputation mo is bababa talaga. So, most of your reach out will land to promotion, updates, which is really a big problem po. So, dapat i-observe mo lahat yun, best practices, and then before sending emails, dapat naka-warm up po yun siya. So meaning, warm up muna yung email. Hindi agad na wala ka pang reputation is mag-send ka na ng 1,000. Wala yun. Hindi pwede yun. So ideally, 20, warm up muna. Ang warm up po, pwede kang mag-paid and pwede din mag-subscribe ka sa ibang mga newsletters like 20 companies. Then magsasend sila ng mga email sa'yo, di ba? Ganun ginagawa. Then, meaning working yung email mo, at hindi siya use for spamming. Sa ganung paraan, magkataglay ka ng reputation po for email. Most likely, mag-land na ka sa primary inbox yung message po natin. Opo, ang problema dun sa spam, ganun eh. And
Mm.
sa Apollo po, hindi ko naman nilalagyan ang Apollo, pero ang Apollo kasi, as experience, ang email nila, kahit sinabi nilang valid, you need to check. Kasi talagang less yung validity ng ng Apollo, ng email nila. Guest email kasi yan po eh. So you need to validate po.
So, yun. Next question naman po.
I took my question dito from Mami Andy Lag. I don't know if natanong na po. Sir Ed, question po. For creating email campaigns, aside from HubSpot daw po, do you recommend MailChimp or other email marketing platforms?
Yes, yan yung sinasabi ko kanina when we talk nag-Lena, na may observe niyo po yung email campaigns kasi may mga emails na intended for outbound. Pero yung MailChimp po, hindi recommended for this kind of outreach kasi yung MailChimp, ang ginagawa po nila is subscribe talaga. So you just create a landing page and then you have the authority to send them message pag nakasubscribe na sila sa newsletter niyo po within your list sa MailChimp. Kasi ginawa ko, nag-prospect ako, yun, banned yung account ko, outbound. So hindi siya pwede. Yung MailChimp hindi pwede. Yung instantly ay design talaga siya para mag-outbound. Hindi siya yung per subscription na platform po. So, search na lang po nyo. Meron dyan, ginagamit na ng Vein po, nung MailerLite.
Yeah,
Yes
po.
po. And then, Mailshake. Mailshake, pwede din po yun, yung Mailshake. Opo. I hope
Next
na sagot
question
po.
po.
Also for email campaigns, wait, tuwas ang camera ko ah. So for email campaigns, maybe sa newsletters, siguro pwede nyo rin gamitin na maitry nyo. So para lang makapag-testing kayo. So maybe you can also use ConvertKit kasi free siya. Free yung 1,000 subscribers.
Okay. Okay din po yun yung ConvertKit. Opo.
Sir, dito meron po nagtanong. Pasabikin naman natin ng konti yung mga audience natin. Ano po range ng rate ng lead generation?
Gaya na.
Ay, yung
Range lang, sir.
pinaka-issue na range and rate, pwede bang magbanggit ng price, no?
Siguro sir, yung
Diba,
ano mo na lang, experience mo nung nag-start ka.
lagi, yun, lagi.
Oo.
Kasi tayo eh. Yung experience ko talaga, I don't go higher po, talaga. So yun lang, mostly nagre-rely tayo sa client kung magkano yung binibigay nila na rate. So like monthly or per hour.
Per hour.
But the lowest po na per hour po natin is 4 po talaga. So wala mo nang mag-accept ng 2 or 3 kasi mapapagod ka. Mostly po ng mga ganung price po talaga, sabi ko nga is talagang konti lang yung budget nila and mamadaliin ka pa. Alam nyo kung tanggap nyo po ito, most ng mga walang budget at saka konti yung rate, yun pa yung mas masakit sa
Marami
ulo.
trabaho.
Papasintabi na po. But by experience yun po yung pagka kasi yung alam ba yung rate po natin kasi dito parang kung you have to go to parang pang lang talaga siya, pang cafe, mga waiter, ganun malaki. Ganun lang yung rate natin dito. Pero if you are really expert like agency type ka na, siyempre yung mo above nasa sa level pa. We're just starting po. Tiyaga-tiyaga lang muna. At least meron tayong pang bigas or pang milk, diba? Opo, yun lang po. 4, okay yan. Then below po, medyo po siya.
Yung
Mapagod
red
ka na
flag na,
masyado.
gano'n.
Opo. Ano po.
Meron ako nabasa dito, nakakatawa.
Parang alam,
Kamukha niyo po si Jericho Rosales. Thank you po sa
Sino?
knowledge. Anonymous walang
Sino?
pangalan. Artist
Ganun ba?
Ed.
Baka lang yun. Baka
artist tayo.
lang
Guluhan,
siya na
mga gulo, oh.
nagulat. Kasi
Nagulat.
pag nagulat ka, parang yung tao, tingnan mo, parang celebrity eh. Pero pag titingnan mo ng matagal, yun na. Unti-unting nare-reveal.
Alright.
Opo.
Okay. May mga tanong pa dito. Hang on.
Eto sir, meron tanong dito.
Sige, go.
What is your advice to those people who are starting in this niche? What was your experience and how did you find na ito daw yung para sa'yo? Yun.
Lagi,
Ganda.
yan po, talagang, kasi napunta ako dito sa lead gen specialist. First of all, kasi wala akong knowledge sa computer. All
Hmm.
I know is parang research lang. Then I started sa Upwork. Talagang pag, ano ko, meron naman nag-reply. Talakas loob lang. Kasi dati hindi pa saturated yung Upwork, di ba? Ang daming
Hmm.
nagre-reply eh. But now, laging saturated na siya. Competitive masyado yung platform. So, pag nag-start ka, of course, research, ganun po. I started as a researcher. Then, talagang meron kang masalungang mga client na mga low rate, samantahin ka. Then, I've experienced talaga na talagang subsuban, 18 hours, 20 hours. List building. Kasi, for only $10, I experienced na meron akong halos walang tulog kami. And ako. And then, meron ding client na binabaran ko within 1 week na ganun. And then, ang kuha namin is ano lang, parang handshake deal lang, walang kontrata. Even if may kontrata po, talagang pag tayo ganito, pag hindi ka babayaran, wala ka talagang magagawa. So,
Habol.
trust lang talaga ang ano natin dito.
Hmm.
Meron, talagang research, ganun, list building, walang tulugan, automation, manual. Then after, wala, hindi kami binayaran. So, tip ko lang is, ano lang talaga, research din. Daming mga pwede nating ano sa YouTube and the knowledge talaga at saka yung ano through experience. So this experience then level up, applied automation, ganun po, ganun ang ginagawa natin. Every opportunity po na pwedeng ano. Then apply lahat, constant apply. Kasi hindi mo alam. Ngayon, okay, then bukas wala na, di ba? So meron kang at least reserve. But be careful na sabi nga nung isang employer namin na do not bite more than you can chew. Di ba?
Lalim
Oo.
nun sir ah.
Do not bite more than you can chew. So, ibig sabihin, yung kaya mo lang kainin, di ba?
Tama.
Di ba? Alright po. Sige, I hope na may nagka-idea po kayo.
Apo. Miss Cherry, heads up lang po kay Miss Cherry Rose. Yan, pasend na lang po ng GCash nyo. Dito na lang po sa comment, sa Q&A. Tsaka po si Miss, um, sino pa po ba?
Crystal Lim.
Si Miss Crystal Lim, yung kauna-unahan po. Ayan.
Terry Felizardo.
Yan. Kung ayaw nyo po, ako kukuha.
May question dito. Most of the client po ba will be paying for those tools needed for prospecting companies and emails?
Opo. Dapat ano yun ng clients kasi wala ka naman eh. Ikaw pa yung magkukuha ng clients. Pero, depende yun if you are charging more, kaya pwedeng sa'yo yung tools. Nag-invest ka na din ng mga tools, pwede yun. Like construction, di ba? Merong company mo, merong provided na tools and of course, you will reserve for yours as well. Para in case na wala siya and then you need to provide them leads. Um, pero ideally talaga, sa clients lahat yun para pag alis mo po, iwan lahat yun and proceed to another. Opo.
Okay. So may nagtanong din dito, ako nang sasagot nito. Ask ko lang po as
Opo.
an newbie sa industry na ito, ano po ba ang ma-advise niyo po na spec sa laptop or PC po? So ito po ay depende po sa niche ninyo. Pero mostly po for virtual assistant, mas recommended po kasi sa PC as at least 8 gig and probably like Intel 5 or Ryzen 5 yon para mas maganda kasi kung depende kasi kung ano ka kung video editor ka kailangan talaga magandang specs mo kasi syempre
Mm.
mahirap mag-edit ng video mabibigat ang mga kumbaga mabibigat ang mga apps pero kung mag-start ka kumbaga lead gen so like for example mas maganda so 8 gig yung ano mo yung RAM mo doon ka mag-start
Sir, meron ka daw po bang LinkedIn kung saan pwede ka nalang i-follow?
Oo.
Opo, meron. Ang friend ko doon, konti na lang kasi na-ban yung ano ko LinkedIn ko na marami. Mahigpit na talaga yung, meron po. Edu, then, pwede ba i-post dito?
Sure,
Okay.
sir.
Ano,
I-comment nyo
okay.
lang po
Wait.
sa chat natin.
Okay po. I-comment ko.
Okay, how does
Stricto kasi yung LinkedIn kailangan mo magbayad na. Kaya nag-subscribe ako sa kanila ng 1.6 a month para hindi lang maano yung ano ko, account ko. Pag hindi ka nakaano sa LinkedIn ngayon, dahan-dahan lang. Kasi ang almost nasa mga 2,000 na yata yung ano ko, connection, running 3,000.
Ang dami
Then
connection, sir.
chat lang ako ng chat. Ayaw na nilang ibalik yung LinkedIn ko po. Kasi lumabag na daw ako sa na rules nila na hindi nagbayad gamit na lang. Kasi gumamit po ako ng tools na parang automation. Then I send request 20 request automatic po a day. Then yun. Pero na-observe ko naman sa ibang client like yung client natin ngayon using the tools, mga paid tools, wala namang nangyayari. So, you need to pay talaga. At least, the less po. Pero for the start, pwede naman, pa-search lang ganun. Yan po, thank you po sa mga
Alright. So,
Uy, may nagalong pa dito, Sir Mark. Ano
Walang
po
pa.
ang LinkedIn nyo? Mark, grabe
Yun,
ka.
yun, no?
Grabe.
alright. So,
makita.
guys, na-send ko na po yung form for the attendance. So, please fill it out para masendan na kayo ng certificate this coming week. So, name, middle initial only ha, and surname po. Alright? And also, please follow our, ano ba ang ating mga social platforms, guys?
Yes, we have YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and ayun, plug natin sa sa chat box.
Instagram, may YouTube, may Facebook,
Yes.
TikTok. Andiyan po si Blessy, ang ating ambassador.
Well, speaking of Blessy, out of topic daw to. What kind of niche or job description daw ni Blessy? So, Blessy is actually a social media manager. And also, here in Vain, she's our brand ambassador.
Yes.
So, ambassadress.
Yep. Parang nag-start na yung, na umepekto yung, natin, webinar. Start prospecting na sila. Available ba si Sir Mark, si
Mukhang si Miss Bless po
Blessy?
yung pinoprospect nila eh.
Blessy, tsaka si Mark yung pinaprospect, no?
Oo, pag pinaprospect si Blessed si Mark,
Kung taken na
Ay
daw
po,
ba?
taken.
Nasa, po, dito po sa chat box yung link.
Yes.
Balik ko pa lang ulit.
Okay, sagutin ko
Tingnan
dito
naman po
from
natin
Jonaline. What is the hiring process of Wake and do you provide training or more on expert na po yung hinahire nyo? So, depende po kasi ito sa client namin, but mostly po talaga, mga hinahire ng client namin is my experience. So, ang hiring process po ng Wake is actually, pwede kayong mag-apply using our Facebook page, and then you can just fill out the form. So, once na fill out na po yung form, if you are actually, if the hiring manager thinks that you're qualified, they're going to contact you through email, Skype, Viber, SMS, so yon. So, pag nakapasa kayo ng first stage interview sa Vain, so that's the time na magkakaroon kayo ng second interview with our senior hiring manager. And if you pass that, then magkakaroon kayo ng client interview. Si Ma'am Blessy daw, hawig ni Ma'am Elma. Blessy, humanap ka ng Sir Gavin.
Salamat po.
Donalyn, ma'am eh. May nakalagay dito, Donalyn Bartolome, ma'am eh.
Grabe naman. Sobra na. Amin yung Gcash na nagsabi niya.
Yan yung Gcash nyo. Magpapadala si
Charot.
Yeah, Karen, so yung yung form po natin is nasa chat box. Wala po dito sa wala dito sa Q&A, nasa chat box po siya. meron pong link doon para mag-fill out kayo ng name nyo para mabigyan kayo ng certificate.
Yeah.
Alright.
Guys, bigyan naman natin ng palakpakan si Sir.
Sir
Yeah.
Ed,
Opo,
grabe.
Edu na lang po, Edu.
Sir Edu.
Opo, Edu,
Sir.
Edu. Thank you po
Sana
sa
marami po kayong
opportunity.
natutunan.
Okay, so magpipicture taking na tayo guys. Pa-help naman, i-promote na. Tas yung kamay ng mga gustong sumali, pa-promote namin kayo, okay?
Ang
Yan.
daming fans ni Blessy.
Ay, Mark, i-co-host kita. Help.
Oh.
Thanks. Yan.
Tinulak po kasi ng toro si Miss Blessy ma'am.
Oo eh.
Grabe.
So, sa mga may crush kay Blessy dyan, follow nyo lang pong aming TikTok account. Lagi nyo siyang makikita.
Oo. Andun siya.
Oo. Tutulak ng toro.
Pwede rin kayo magpa-shoutout. Char.
Grabe na ang marketing ngayon eh.
Yan. Accept lang po, pinopromote po kayo. So next week, meron po ulit tayong webinar. Free webinar. Same time, same place.
Yes. Wag po kayong kayo po yung mag-subscribe sa aming sa aming
Newsletter.
newsletter. Kung nakasubscribe na po, wag po kayo mag-unsubscribe para makareceive po kayo ng notification.
Kompleto na ang ating GCash na Ambers. Okay, thank you. Paantay na lang po mamaya sa sensei nyo. Tapusin
Yes,
na ang
hintay
webinar.
na lang po.
Ayan, ang dami. Wait lang. Promote.